Welcome to Lockie Creations, where I feature my fabulous crafty life. Hi friends, welcome back to Lockie Creations. So today I'm here to do a very quick video. I am switching up my planners for 2025 already, and I had made an order for some new planner supply. So I'm going to quickly open that up with you and show you how I'm going to switch up my journals. So stay tuned. If you got a chance to catch my last video, you saw that for this year I am using my classic Happy Planner, and this is the Disney Happy Planner. This is my regular Happy Planner journal that I use daily for creative journaling. Showed last video, this is my main planner, and in the last video I talked about how I discovered after I had bought this planner off clearance mid last year that it has these very different formats here. It has these kind of weeklies that really does not allow me to journal, so that was problematic for me. I'm used to that style in my work planner, so this is my work planner, which is a Happy Planner for 2025. Alright, so we're going to open this up. I hope this is what I think it is. So this is really going to be a real reaction because I'm opening this for the first time along with you. I think this is my Happy Planner order, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out really soon if this is indeed what I think it is. So let's get her opened. So Happy Planner had some things that were on sale when I was searching for my planners and journals for this year. I initially did not find what I ordered in store, so I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. And yes, this is my Happy Planner order. Woo! So let me show you what I got. A lot of this stuff was on clearance, so that's why I got it. So I ordered this set. This is a 6-month updated expansion pack for the mini Happy Planner. So this will be used for my work planner. So I'm just going to put it here. Sorry for the glare. But it basically includes 472 pieces. It has 6 months worth of undated extension planner. So it basically is a 6-month planner. So initially when I couldn't find a planner that I liked, I was like, I'll just buy this 6-month thing here. And because usually my planners sometimes only last for 6 months because I bulk it up. The work one usually lasts for the whole year, but if it just depends on how creative I get. If I get creative and start adding stuff in there, I may only get 6 months out of it. So I figured I'd get the 6 month and just kind of wait and see kind of how it goes. So this one is undated, but actually I don't think I will be needing this right now since I did go ahead and purchase from Joann's this, and this is the full 12-month dated. So this will go in, maybe for next year, maybe for another time, or if I decide to use another mini Happy Planner for something else, because I really do love the mini Happy Planner. This one is exclusively planner for work. Okay, so I got that 6-month expansion pack for the mini. This little thing, oh my goodness. And let me see, I don't remember what I paid for everything because everything was on sale. So I'll try to remember to put in the description what I paid for everything. But I got this for the mini. So it's one of those little pen cases. This is the cutest little thing. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so cute. And I can put my little pins and stuff in here. So it has the little cute little zipper pouch. It has the Happy Planner logo on it in the very pretty stripes. And it will fit my mini. So let's just stick her in here just to test her out. I'm just going to put it right in the front just to test her out. Oh, I love that so much. an accessory for my mini happy planner. Look how cute that is. So now I can take my little pins or stickers or whatever, stamps, couple stamps, something with me. So I got that. I love it. I realized I put it upside down here, but you guys get the point. So it'll actually go in like this. So interesting that they put the logo on the back side. I probably would have preferred to have that in the front, but that's okay. Very cute. I love that. Okay, also for the mini, I got, this is foil aluminum folders, I think. It's 5 pocket folders also for the mini. So it has, if you can see, these 5 little cute folders. So again, for my mini happy planner, I can use that to stick stuff in. And I think this is also for the mini. Okay, I bought a lot of stuff for the mini. I also bought, oh yeah, these, I forgot about these. So these are 12 sheets of page protectors. So page protectors. So here it's 12 sheets that I can put little pictures or quotes, or so they're basically the little little clear page protectors that I can use in my mini as well. They're cute. So yeah, I really bought a lot of stuff for my mini. Okay, so that's all the stuff. I think that's everything I got for the mini. Okay, so then for my classic happy planner, I ordered this. So I did get a pen pack for my classic happy planner, and this is the Rung, I believe. Yeah, Rung girls. Love those girls. It also has the little cute happy planner logo. It has the zipper and the little punches where I can just stick it in my planner. Now, I've already put one of the Amazon packs that I got, clear ones here, but I like this one also. And for the life of me, I don't understand why they have the logo on the back side, but whatever. But yeah, it'll go in my planner as well, and I'll be able to take my pens and pencils and stuff with me too. So very cute accessory for my classic happy planner. And the final, oh my goodness, the final thing that I got, so actually I did, I thought I had ordered an actual mini happy planner. So this is the only thing that I got for my classic size. So yeah, everything was all about the mini this time. So the last item that I got, okay, now I remember, I did actually order a planner, a mini happy planner, because before I found that one that I'm using now from Joann's, I did order this 12-month undated. And I'm so glad I ordered this undated, because yeah, who knew that I was going to go to the store and buy a dated 2025 mini. So yeah, now I have a next year mini already. I already got next year's mini ready to go. So yeah, this one is a 12-month undated horizontal layout. So this is the layout, the same layout that I'm using for this, my one this year. Sorry again for the glare. But yeah, it's a 12-month mini, and it has this, let's see if I can, I don't want to open it. I guess I can. I was going to show you what it looks like. This one is kind of this celestial theme, I guess, if you will. So it has this, the cover says, "Follow the moon and stars." And, oh, it has some little stickers. And, oh, I don't want to open it all the way. But, yeah, you kind of get the point. I'm kind of opening it a little bit. But, yeah, it has this kind of celestial theme. And it's a 12-month. I guess I can go ahead and quickly. I wanted this video to be super quick. But, where did my scissors go? I literally just had my scissors here and they walked away already. Okay, so it has these little stickers for the months, which is great because it's undated. So that will be helpful for the tabs. And This is what the title page looks like. And you can see it has the Follow Your Stars with the calendar that's undated and the weeklies that are undated. So again, this new horizontal format, I believe, is new this year. And so hopefully I like it, because I'm using it already this year and it's working good. I actually like this format. I like it because it gives me more room on the days, and it has the task list over here. So when I write my task, I can keep them in one section. I want the style that has the vertical line. So that's the only thing that I'm left to find. But in the meantime, I do have some clear dot grid sheets that I can manually do more of the what is it called, the dot grid style, bullet journaling style, until I can get some of the new updated pages that I like with the vertical style versus this whatever you call this style. So there you have it. Hope you all have a great day. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed.